Hi, brilliant kids. Welcome back to my channel today. I remain your Igbo teacher, Adaeze Ono. Ndewo na ụmụọma, nnọọ n'igwe mgbasa ozi YouTube m, ọ ka bụkwa mbụ onye nkụzi unu, Adaeze Ono. Na nke taa, anyị ga-amụ maka okwu Igbo dị iche iche eji D wee mebe. We are learning the different words formed with letter D. Please remember to click on the like button and turn on your bell button. Also click on the subscribe button if you've not subscribed before. Alright, for your lessons, please WhatsApp +2348064535633. Remember that the lessons are coming from Adajarama Igbo Language Academy. We have classes for kids and adults. Alright, let's start. Diochi. D-E-O-Ch-E. Diochi in Igbo language. Palm wine tapper in English language. Dokita. D-O-K-E-T-A. Dokita. Dokita in Igbo language. Doctor in English language. Dinta. D-E-N-T-A. Dinta in Igbo language. Hunter in English language. Deputa. D-E-P-O-T-A. Deputa. Deputa in Igbo language. Write out or list out in English language. De. D-E-E. De. De in Igbo language. Write in English language. Da. D-A-A. Da. Da in Igbo language. Fall in English language. Dotia. D-O-T-E-A. Dotia. Dotia in Igbo language. Extend in English language. Do. D-O-O. Do. Do in Igbo language. Draw in English language. Dozie. D-O-Z-E-A. Dozie. Dozie in Igbo language. Arrange in English language. Debe. D-E-B-A. Debe. Debe in Igbo language. Keep in English language. Dorie. D-O-R-E-A. Dorie. Dorie in Igbo language. Tear in English language. Die. D-E-A. Die. Die in Igbo language. Endure in English language. Dowa. D-O-W-A-A. Dowa. Dowa in Igbo language. Tear apart in English language. Dolite. D-O-L-E-T-A. Dolite. Dolite in Igbo language. Draw up in English language. Doputa. D-O-P-O-T-A. Doputa. Doputa in Igbo language. Draw out in English language. D. D-E. D in Igbo language. Husband in English language. Alright kids, this is where we end our lesson for today. Remember that the lessons are coming in from Adajarama Igbo Language Academy, an online platform for teaching Igbo language both to kids and adults. We have our lessons on Zoom and on Google Meet. For further inquiries, WhatsApp on +2348064535633. Courses are available for kids and adults in diaspora. Alright kids, thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe if you have not done so. Alright, till next time. Bye for now.